Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to paint portrait of a Bollywood actress Ileana D'Cruz using watercolors. So let's start the video. For this painting, I'm using Brustro artist watercolors and Fabriano 300 GSM watercolor paper. I have already made a review video of these colors. You can check out that to know more about these colors. I will provide the link in the description. So first of all, I'm applying the first layer on the face. The first layer should be light. For that, I'm using very diluted lemon yellow color. Mixing diluted rose pink and orange color to create depth. Now I'm applying more darker color for the next layer. Here I'm using the same color, which is pink and orange, and also added a mixture of violet and pink for the dark shade. Now for the eyes, I have mixed violet, ultramarine blue and raw umber to get the dark color like black. Remember, in watercolor, you should avoid using pure black color as it makes the painting muddy. Instead of this, mix some other color to get the dark color. For the lips, I'm using rose pink, crimson and some amount of diluted lemon yellow color too. Now for the hair, I'm using yellow, pink and orange color. For dark shade, again I have mixed violet, ultramarine blue and raw umber. Now I am giving a wash of violet and Prussian blue in the background. Adding some details to the hairs using the same dark color, which is the mixture of violet, ultramarine blue and raw umber. I am using 0 and 1 number round brush for creating fine lines. Now comes the flowers. Using cerulean blue, violet, Prussian blue and rose pink color. Here I am using an angular brush for creating these flowers. Now for these flowers, I am using a cat tongue brush of number 10. And now comes the final part of the painting. Here I am using wet on wet technique so that the colors will easily flow down, and for that I am using a spray bottle. See how beautifully these colors are flowing. And it's completed. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more art videos. You can also follow my Instagram and Facebook page. Link is given in the description. Thank you so much for watching.